Have you ever stopped to think about the fascinating physics that surrounds you every day? Like the sound of your morning coffee brewing, or your phone buzzing, or a distant siren? Well, today we're going to do just that. We're going to explore the unseen world of physics that creates the sounds that shape your everyday experience. It might sound simple, but the world is full of tiny vibrations that create these sounds. When you hear your phone buzz, for example, it's tiny vibrations that send waves through the air. These waves then bounce into your ear and trick your brain into thinking something is happening. But what about the sound of a siren in the distance? As it moves past you, the pitch seems to change. This is called the Doppler effect. As the siren approaches you, the sound waves get compressed, creating a higher pitch. And as it moves away, the sound waves stretch, resulting in a lower pitch. It's like a natural musical shift orchestrated by the motion of the source and the waves themselves. And these vibrations don't just travel through air, they can move through water and solid objects too. Have you ever seen ripples spreading across the surface of a pond when you toss a stone into it? Those ripples are vibrations, traveling through the water, carrying energy without moving the water itself. In the same way, the cup you drink from, or the keyboard you type on, they all vibrate at their core. The clink of a coffee mug, the rustle of paper, the squeak of a door hinge. They're all created by the vibrations of these everyday objects. Each surface vibrates differently, creating a unique sound signature. That's why a wooden table has a different sound than a metal one. The material of the object affects how it vibrates and ultimately the sound it makes. Understanding how sound works helps us appreciate the world around us. It allows us to see music in the mundane, to find harmony in the everyday. Next time you hear your fridge hum or your neighbor's footsteps echo, remember that these are not just noises. They are tiny vibrations traveling through the air, carrying with them a message from the world around you. From the busy streets of a city to the quiet hum of a library, sound is everywhere. And now we know it's not just noise, it's physics in action. So, keep listening, keep exploring, and keep discovering the unseen symphony that plays all around us. After all, the world is full of sounds waiting for us to discover their music.
Subscribe.